Joe Swift, Daybreak Services. We're a fruit and veg wholesale company, but we have a shop as well, sell everything, general grocery, meat, dairy, fresh fruit and veg. The only thing we don't sell is alcohol. Currently this year just won the best village shop 2023 in the Midlands. Good award to have. It's my dad's business. Started as my granddad's, moved to my dad's. Hopefully I can be the third generation of it, moving it forward. Yeah, so we're at 3A High Street, Packington, Ashby de la Zouch, Leicestershire, just off the M42 we are. We cover about a 20-mile radius, supplying pubs, nursing homes, schools, restaurants, shops. We're on the road every morning at 3:30 in the morning into Leicester Wholesale Fruit and Veg Market, and we also go to Birmingham Wholesale Fruit and Veg Market, so we get everything fresh every morning. We're open 6 days a week, and it is just a true family village shop. We cover all around the village. We do home delivery, which started during COVID, where everything changed, and I've been doing it since I can remember, obviously, so that's nearly 29 years now. We've been going since 1989.
Hold it down, keep my front up.